Hey, what's up, everybody? This is attorney Dan Nguyen, and today I want to talk about trademarks and whether trademark costs are tax deductible. So, I don't profess to be a tax attorney or CPA or an enroll agent or a tax professional, but I do, being a business owner and having dealt with taxes on a tangential basis, I think I can do my best to answer this question. But first, you got to understand what the IRS uses as a standard for what can be tax deductible. Now, generally speaking, and this is what I found on the IRS website, it has to be ordinary and necessary, okay? And so then you got to ask, hey, what's ordinary and necessary? That is common and acceptable in your particular industry. In my opinion, and I think most accountants, tax professionals agree that legal fees and trademark costs are tax deductible. Okay, and so it is a furtherance of your business. It is something that you are protecting for your business, and so I think certainly it is ordinary and necessary for your business and are tax deductible. So if you are a business owner looking to protect your business name, your logo or slogan, and get want to get a tax deduction as a bonus, feel free to reach out to us and we can see how we can help you. Okay, this is Dan. Talk to you soon. Bye.